time at the top. With your Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, you can also detect your snoring when you're sleeping at night and wearing this watch. So let's go ahead and take a look at this feature. Go in settings, go in health, and here scroll down and you will find snore detection. Now to continue this, you have to go on your phone. So this is the screen that opens up when you tap on snore detection on your watch. So you can turn it on, you can set it to always detect snoring, or you can use it just for once. It will measure snoring whenever you sleep with your watch on and your phone is charging nearby. Only then it will detect and record your snoring. You can also set it to record audio, so you can listen to yourself snoring, and then you can select the number of days after which your recordings will be deleted. So that's how